Welcome, here I've got Vodafone Smart Platinum 7 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the manual. This is kind of pro mode here at this camera app, and it gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or make experiments with photography. So let's start with this settings bar. The first one button here allows us to control the ISO. So by using this slider, we can change the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 of ISO. By going to the right, we can make it more sensitive to 1 and 6000 of it. So I think this spectrum is enough to this kind of camera. And also at the beginning we have this A letter button. When we tap on it, we go back to auto ISO, so there's no problem to go back to auto settings to start using this from the beginning. The next one button here allows us to control the shutter speed, so the time of taking picture. We can make it by using this settings bar much shorter, from 1 and 8000 of second. This is really short time, and this should be better to objects, for example, that are in move, to frozen them at the picture. By going to the right, we can make our time of taking picture much longer, to the 1 and 2 second. So this is really long time, and this should be better to objects that are definitely stable at our picture. And of course at the beginning, when we tap on this A letter button, we go back to auto settings with the shutter speed. So this is really cool thing here. The next one button here allows us to control the white balance, so the temperature of our picture. And by using this slider, we can make our temperature, our picture, much colder by going to the left. By going to the right, we can make it more warm. So this is kind of balance between the blue and the orange light. And of course, by tapping on this button at the beginning with A letter, we go back to auto white balance. And the last one button here allows us to control the focusing. So here we can change autofocus to manual one, and we can use this like that. And of course, when we want to go back to autofocus, we have to just simply tap on this button with A, and it goes back to the auto. And we have the last one button here that just hide us this settings bar and open it when we want to use this. So for now, let me use this settings to take a picture. So let's stay here on ISO, the shutter speed, maybe the shorter one, here the white balance, let's go to cold one, and the focusing, let's stay on the auto. To see the picture, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap on it, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like now. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.